In regards to Beale, can you kind of maybe for those who don't know, could you go over some of the Vortex technology and explain why, it's unique and different?
Definitely. So Sonic Vortex is the technology in the Beale Street offering. And what it is ported transmission that every one of the Sonic Vortex speakers are fully enclosed. What's really cool about that is with that ported technology and being fully enclosed, you're going to get consistent sound no matter where that speaker is placed in the room, what the environment above the room or the room next to it is, because that audio, we're not losing any backwards. That audio is going into the room it's intended based on the design of the speaker and that ported technology. What's really cool is it's not just in our residential offering, it's also in the commercial offering. So we're gonna have better coverage in your commercial environments, that consistent sound. We're gonna play deeper than a typical architectural or commercial speaker because of the technology. We have 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch options, pendant solutions. We have in-wall solutions as well. We have in-ceiling subs, which are really a unique product in that offering. So it's a wide range in the Beale Street lineup with the ability to sell some really cool technology behind it. So again, you're not just selling a speaker, you're able to sell on the technology as well with Sonic Vortex.